here I want to evaluate a function when given an equation. I will be using function notation. So this means that every number in parentheses means that x is equal to those numbers. I also noticed that some functions may be labeled as f, g, or h. That is just because we are talking about many functions at one time. So I have this f goes with the f function. I have g of x goes with this g of x function. And I have h, which goes with this h of x function. All I have to do is know that everywhere I see the letter x, that will get replaced with the number in parentheses. So for my first one, I am looking at my f function, and everywhere I saw the letter x in the equation, I replaced it with the number -2, and then I am going to use my order of operations or my calculator to evaluate, which just means to simplify, which gives me 19. I'm going to do the same thing with the second equation and the third. Second equation is g, so I'm going to use my g of x. Everywhere I see x, I will replace it with 0. And for h of x, I will use my number -1 everywhere I see x. So for g of 0, I get the answer 6, and for h of -1, I get the answer 4. Look at your calculator sheet to see how to plug these into a calculator if necessary. For the challenge question, I noticed that it's actually asking me two questions. It's asking me what is f of 4 minus f of 0, which means I need to figure out what happens when I plug in 4 into the equation and what happens when I plug in 0 to the equation. So first I need to find what is f of 4 equal to, what is f of 0 equal to. So f of 4 is equal to 10 and f of 0 is equal to -2. Now I can answer the second question where it's saying f of 4, which is 10, minus f of 0, which is -2. This will give me the answer 12.